What's up video? My name is Rohit and I come back with another video. So in today's video, we will see a program in which we convert hours into minutes. Alright, so first I will open my Dev C++. Alright, in which I create a new file with the help of control N. After that, we will include our header file, that is hash include iostream. Alright, this is our header file. After that, we will declare a return type, that is int main round brackets 2 graces. In graces, what we will do, we will take a data type called int. In int, we will make some variables like m and hr. Alright, hr. Okay, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that, using cout, what we will do, we will print a message on the screen in quotation, enter the r. Okay, and we will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that, with the help of scene, what we will do, we will take the input from the user and which will transfer into hr. Alright, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. Then after, we will do m equals to hr into 16. Alright, hr into 16. We will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that, we will print the output with the help of cout insertion operator in quotation hours into minutes is जो भी हमारा मिनट्स में है ऑलराइट m जो भी हमारा m है, नॉट मिनट्स में. ओके, we'll end this line with the help of semicolon. After that, what we will do, we will return some value. So I am written here 0. Okay, written 0. Let's end the line with the help of semicolon. Let's save the program with the help of function of 11, and I will give the name to the file called h2m. Okay, that is hour to minutes. We will save this file. Okay, scene was not okay. I'm not using standard, using numpes std. Okay, now our program is ready. We'll run this. Okay, so you can see the message on a screen, enter the hours. Okay, so I have to convert 1 hour into minutes. I will hit the enter. So you can see hour in minutes is 60. Okay, 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. Okay, let's run the program one more time. You can see enter the hours, that is the chart. I enter 2 and hit the enter. So you can see the hours in minute is 120. Okay, 120 minutes में 2 hours होते हैं. I hope you understand this program. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Till then, peace out.